Now everybody maybe need a piece of urgent care sometime. And if you're gonna need it, you don't want it to be hard to find. Your management approach is much too focused on the bottom line. If you listen to the people, you can see what's really on their mind. Your name includes trust, but who can trust who? When you took our A&E, you made it hard to trust you. So please don't let our patience be driven too far. No, please don't let our patience be driven too far. This National Health Service is the pride of our times. We've been paying into this for all of our lives. Don't let us pay with our lives. And we are the people of Bishop Auckland, and we are the people of Weardale, and we are the people of Teesdale, and we the people demand a local service, and we the people say leave it where it is, and we the people say leave it where